Okay, we're going to our Kintsugi club. I'm so excited because I love Kintsugi. This is our outfit. I'm wearing a sunflower top and these pants and
Alice pants.
Alex got this new top. Yeah, so we're going Kintsugi. I'm so keen. We get to make little cups, I think, or bowls. I think that's the two options. But we're gonna take you with us. Yay! Kintsugi is like the art form where they break a cup and then you put it back together and you like paint it with gold, and it's about imperfections and like that mistakes are part of life. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Where from, sorry? Can I see?
Yeah.
Other side? So
That's so beautiful. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
And in the small cup, this is for your hand. My prayer hand, please.
I love these. They grow. They're so cool.
Oh, it's so nice.
Beautiful.
A good teacher.
yeah.
That's your stuff. Okay. It's so pretty. I like the leaves. The little love heart. It looks like a little love heart, but they're like little leaves.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。ありがとうございます。
Yeah, I was like wondering how you take it. You were gonna take it.
Send me your plate. Oh, strong highlight. Yes, strong highlight. Yes, yes. Very good contrast. So shiny. It's complete. Congratulations.
ありがとうござい
ありがとう
ま
ござい
す。
ます。
She said it's a strong. What did she say? Strong highlight. That's beautiful.
はい
Love it.
Some people have finished. Thank you for coming today. ありがとうございました。
We're going to Disney Sea.
First floor.
これがあるんやったらいいやつ。こっちが熱いんだよ。
This looks good. We're having like little snacks.
So good.
We're at Disney Sea. Hey, that's where we're from. Hey, let's go explore. Yeah. The journey of the center of the earth looks like a roller coaster.
Dude,
It's like
looks
at the top of a
insane.
volcano.
Oh.
It looks crazy. It's like up there. It's so pretty. Disney Sea. We have like they have gondolas, and we're going back there to go get a spray of water because it's really hot. It's like the opposite to Disneyland otherwise.
Shit my pants, that's all.
You gonna what?
Gonna shit my pants.
Wow. That must be the Tower of Terror over there. We're gonna go up here. No idea what to expect. So excited! We just went on the journey to the center of the earth and it was so fast. Like we weren't even in the like coaster for like 3 minutes.
It was like there's so much build up, and then like it was like for how long we were in there. Like there was a part in there that was like really cool, but it lasted for like 20 seconds.
Yeah,
and it was done.
And we paid like to skip the line because it was a 100-minute wait. I'm kind of glad we did. Otherwise, we'd be like 100 minutes waiting in line for like not even a 2-minute ride.
Like it was, that's crazy. I was like
so
shocked.
fast.
I was like, no way, that was.
I was like, is that the end?
Yeah,
I
that's
was just
crazy.
getting started.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, that's so weird.
That just
It was
happened.
cool though, like with the bugs and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see what else.
Oh my god, I'd be
is here.
so angry if I waited that long.
Yeah, I
I'd
would
be
be.
so angry.
Yeah.
Honestly.
try?
Yeah.
You put it on me?
That's mine. Buy your own. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, not too bad. Oh yeah,
Right, it's better than nothing.
it's better than nothing. I love
It's
that.
better than here cooking like an egg.
Look at the Donald Duck thing.
But you should I'll be using this and you'll be like, give it to me.
No, and I'll just be like,
Yeah,
and then you just like put it.
yeah, wait till we hit the sun and then you'll be like.
So we wanted to go on the Indiana Jones ride, but it's not available at the moment. So that's great.
That's $24 I ever spent.
$24. Okay. What's that way, I wonder? Should we go that way or should we go this way? I feel like we should keep going this way. Yeah. God, there's pimples. Going on the Jasmine flying cup. Very slow car.
It's very slow car ride. Oh my gosh, we're going up.
So, like,
Oh my god. God, it feels freakier than you can control it. Please don't take me off. Just leave me here for the day.
oh, look at the jellyfish. Got the jellyfish?
So cool. It's got a slushy. So the weather has changed.
Yeah, it feels cool. I use golden hour. Let's try this. Are we supposed to get a straw or do we? Oh.
I'll just eat it. Oh, yum. Yummy.
I couldn't even taste it because it was so cold. Oh, it's so sweet and the strawberries like syrup on top. Yum. He's hanging on for dear life. Our friends are holding on. Look at him.
So funny.
Bed's holding on.
We got our dinner. Sandwich, juice and a chocolate croissant
Yeah.
for like $6.
Yep.